In this video, you'll learn how to color code in Microsoft Planner using labels so your tasks are easier to see and organize at a glance. Microsoft Planner doesn't have a traditional paint bucket tool that lets you change the entire background color of a task card. Instead, it uses something called labels. These labels act like colored tags that you can apply to your tasks. Once you understand how they work, they become a powerful way to visually organize your plan. Let's start by opening Microsoft Planner and navigating to the plan where you want to use color coding. Make sure you're in the board view because that's where you'll really see the impact of labels on your task cards. From here, select any task you want to work with by clicking on its card to open the task details. Inside the task window, look toward the top area where you usually see things like the task title, bucket, and members. Just below the members section, you'll find an area labeled labels. This is the key to color coding in Planner. Go ahead and click on that labels section. When you do, a panel or small menu will expand, showing you a list of available colors, each with an optional text description. Each of these colors represents a label you can reuse across your entire plan. For example, you might decide that red means high priority, blue means client work, and green means internal task. To set this up, click on one of the colored labels and type in a short description that makes sense for your workflow. You only need to define each label once. After that, the same label name and color will appear consistently on all tasks in this plan. Once your labels are named, you can apply them to the open task by simply clicking the colored boxes next to the label names. When a label is active on a task, you'll see that color appear on the task card when you close the task window. You can apply multiple labels to the same task, which is useful if a task fits into more than one category, such as both high priority and this week. After you've set up and applied labels to a few tasks, close the task details and look at your overall board. You'll notice small colored bars or tags on each card where you used labels. This is your color coding in action. Over time, you'll start to recognize these colors instantly, helping you scan your board quickly to find what matters most. A helpful tip is to keep your label meanings consistent within a plan. If red is urgent on one task, use it the same way on others in that plan. That consistency is what makes color coding truly effective. You can always go back into any task, open the labels section, and turn labels on or off as your priorities change. That's all you need to start color coding in Microsoft Planner. Open a task, access the labels section, below the members area, choose and name your colors, and apply them to your tasks. With just a few minutes of setup, your board becomes much clearer and more manageable.